So we're looking at the setting sun and some cloud and some trees obscuring things a bit. If I expose for the sun, we won't see the clouds like this. It'll basically go all black. So for now, we're just going to let this continue as is. As the sun moves further to the right, I will probably stop down. Oh my goodness, that was nice. Wasn't expecting that. On that, I think we're going to keep this clip short. Yeah, this is a short clip, but just for technical purposes, f16, 400th of a second, ISO 64. In real terms, it's 16, 22, 32, f45. I'm using a 3x teleconverter on a 400mm lens set to f16, so that's that. Sunday, July 21st, 2024.